Rilla has really improved our efficiency, especially when it comes to ride-alongs. 1 hour of looking at Rilla in the morning, going through jobs from the previous day, it would be equivalent to 6 hours worth of ride-alongs. That improved efficiency has been incredible to see.
Flux provides plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical. We're the largest company in Vernon, and we provide great service to our customers.
Before Rilla, it was overwhelming the amount of ride-alongs that were required to keep our level of customer service where it needs to be. Rilla captures technician and customer's words during a service call and then organizes it into a manageable, readable system for us to be able to go in and use for coaching and training purposes.
By using Rilla, my sales have improved, and it's due to the fact that looking back at the calls and actually listening to myself communicate with the customers, it's helped me be a little more relaxed. My close rate's definitely improved. I'd say I was sitting at around 50 to 60%, and now I believe I'm around 70 to 80% closing rate.
We could have phones in the technician's pockets recording audio, but what that wouldn't do for us is give us that information in a manageable, tangible, and easily accessible location that also picks out the spots that we're looking for us automatically.
To be honest, I was skeptical at first, but I've seen the benefits of it as a sales tool. It really breaks everything down to see where I'm struggling, to help me go back, look at it, improve, and then carry that over to the next day.
Working with the team at Rilla has been excellent. We've seen an increase in our 5-star reviews since partnering with them. 5-star all the way.